Hello guys, welcome. In this video I'm showing you how to use plugins in Figma. So of course to use them you will need to firstly open your project. Let us do that. Okay, so this is my sample project. And guys, this is pretty simple. You just need to go to either this icon right over here, or you can go like this, then you go plugins, and then manage plugins. So I'll just do this. Alright, and as you can see, we have all, or we can just filter by plugins and widgets. And in here you have a amazing, just insanely big number of different plugins that you can use. For example, let's use this Photos plugin. Just click on it. There's a explanation in here about what it does. As you can see, the features right over here. If you want to read that, go ahead, a small preview, and then just press on run. And now the new window will open, as you can see, with photos, and now you can pretty much search. So for example, let's type in dog, and now we can add any of these images into our project. As you can see, easily like this. You can also drag this and put it anywhere you like. And here you go, guys. Enjoy. So if this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and I will see you in the next useful tutorial.